art is a form of self-expression, a way to bring our imagination to life. Are you an artist intrigued by the possibilities of artificial intelligence? Are you a programmer fascinated by the advances in generative AI? Are you a curious learner who refuses to sit on the sidelines as the AI revolution takes off? Welcome to the Kickstarter campaign for AI art generation. We are raising funds for 2 courses designed to teach you how to harness the power of artificial intelligence to enhance your work. The first course, AI art generation, is designed for artists, designers, and creatives at all levels. This course requires no programming or AI background. By the end of the course, you will have the skills and knowledge to use AI in your creative projects. We will introduce you to the generative AI landscape and help you explore the tools available for creating art using AI, explain how they work, and how to use them to create stunning imagery. AI today acts like a real artist with a big personality. The results you get from AI depend on how well you ask it. That's why we will teach you prompt engineering. It is the art of using the right words to cajole AI to generate your desired image. We will teach you how to control images that the AI produces and other finer details to get spectacular results that can take people without the right knowledge hours of effort. You will learn about controlled editing techniques like image to image and create applications like in-painting, out-painting, virtual try-on, virtual makeup, and virtual just about anything. Want some portrait animation? We got you covered. You can create that by just typing a few words. Astonishing. The second course, Advanced AI Art Generation, is for those who want to dive deep into the world of generative AI. You just need to have basic programming knowledge. In this course, we will understand the Stable Diffusion model from a technical point of view. You will also learn how to fine-tune the Stable Diffusion model, which will help you get more control over the generated art. In addition, we will learn how to automate prompt engineering by training a GPT language model on a dataset of prompts. With these tools, you will have the superpower to create any art with your imagination. For engineers and programmers, the best deal is to buy the combo pack with both courses, so you learn both the craft and the science of AI art generation. We have designed these courses so that you can complete them over the weekend. These courses are loaded with hands-on practical knowledge to help you work on real-world projects. We have priced them so people around the world can afford them. And we are creating it with love, pouring our soul into it. We stand behind our material and we will answer your questions in the course forum within 24 hours. We have a long history with Kickstarter. Our first Kickstarter campaign for AI courses by OpenCV.org raised nearly $500,000. It was the biggest Kickstarter campaign for any technical course ever. Since then, we have launched many campaigns for our courses and hardware, 2 of which crossed $1 million. This was all possible because of generous support from our backers like yourself. And I'm sure you will help us make this campaign a huge success as well. Our other AI courses are also available at a discounted price during this campaign. Please help us spread the word. Let's join hands and make good